In this series over the next few weeks, I will be demonstrating the effects of different sized atomic bombs detonated over different major cities around the world. The map will show the following blast rings from a nuclear attack on Moscow by United States forces. These rings are fireball radius, moderate blast radius, thermal blast radius, light blast radius, as well as the fatalities and the estimated injuries. The size of the bombs simulated will be 5 megatons, 10 megatons, 15 megatons, 50 megatons, and 100 megatons. In this first demonstration, we will see a 5 megaton bomb detonated over Moscow. The estimated fatalities would be 3,147,050 people. Estimated injuries would be 4,689,820 people. Fireball radius would be 1.84 kilometers. Moderate blast damage radius would be 12 kilometers. Thermal radiation third degree burns would be 24.5 kilometers wide. And light blast damage would be 33.8 kilometers wide. In the next demonstration, we will see a 10 megaton bomb detonated over Moscow. In this demonstration, estimated fatalities would be 2,963,260 people. Estimated injuries would be 3,775,870 people. The fireball radius would be 3.2 kilometers wide. The radiation radius would be 3.4 kilometers wide. Heavy blast damage radius would be 4.75 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage radius would be 9.99 kilometers wide. Light blast damage radius would be 27.7 kilometers wide, and thermal radiation radius third degree burns would be 29.1 kilometers wide. In the next example, we will see a 15 megaton bomb detonated over Moscow. The estimated fatalities would be 3,654,060 people. Estimated injuries would be 3,825,430 people. Radiation radius would be 3.63 kilometers wide. Fireball radius would be 3.71 kilometers wide. Heavy blast damage radius would be 5.37 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage radius would be 11.3 kilometers wide. Light blast damage radius would be 29 kilometers wide. And thermal radiation third degree burns would be 34 kilometers wide. In the next test, we will see a 50 megaton bomb detonated over Moscow. In this demonstration, we see an estimated fatalities of 7,991,000 people. Estimated injuries would be 3,145,370 people. Radiation radius would be 3.1 kilometers wide. Fireball radius would be 4.62 kilometers wide. Heavy damage radius would be 8.91 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage would be 20.7 kilometers wide. Light blast damage radius would be 54.3 kilometers wide. And thermal radiation third degree burns would be 60 kilometers wide. In the final test, we will see a 100 megaton bomb detonated over Moscow. Estimated fatalities would be 7,157,130 people. Estimated injuries would be 5,058,630 people. Fireball radius would be 6.1 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage radius would be 32.6 kilometers wide. Thermal radiation third degree burns would be 73.7 kilometers wide. Light blast damage radius would be 91.8 kilometers wide. Please hit the subscribe button to get notifications on the next simulated post. Thank you.